Welcome to Dream Tiny Home Design and Luxury Interiors. Today I want to show you my little world. My A-frame tiny house, which to me isn't just a home. It's the beginning of a brand new life. When the world was caught in rising costs and financial stress, I made a decision. I didn't want more space. I wanted more peace. And this tiny space gave me both. This is my living area. Small, yes, but designed with so much intention. Every corner serves a purpose. There's storage under the sofa, and that little window nook. My absolute favorite reading spot. The kitchen is compact, but trust me, every Sunday I make my favorite pancakes and coffee right here. Luxury isn't always about size. It's about how it makes you feel. At night, I lie here and look at the stars. It feels like I'm in a high-end mountain resort. Only difference, this one is mine. A-frame homes aren't just beautiful. They're smart. They use less energy, are easier to maintain, and they feel good. This home reminds me every day that happiness doesn't need a big footprint. In today's world, where everything feels more expensive, what if you could live luxuriously, without spending a fortune? That's what drew me here. I didn't want to settle. I just wanted to be smart. So, if you've been dreaming of a new beginning, a life where simplicity, style, and savings all come together, stay till the end, because sometimes the smallest homes hold the biggest stories. This is Dream Tiny Home Design and Luxury Interiors. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell us in the comments. Could you imagine living in a place like this?